Okay, hey everybody, today we're going to be installing an aftermarket radio in my 2006 Pontiac G6 GT Coupe. As you can see, there's already one there, but it is not held in. So I'm going to show you how to take it all apart from the glove box to the panels up under here, so I can add my trim that holds it in place. So, first of all, there's a panel right up here. You can see it. Anyways, there's going to be, I believe, two 7mm screws up in there. Okay, so now we're on the passenger side, and all I did was I pulled up my glove box and pushed down really hard on it to get it to pop down. So now there is a 7mm one right there. We're going to take it out, and then that's the only one you have to get right now. So we're going to take that out, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this trim right here, you just pop it off. Okay, you're going to remove this here, here, and here. All four of those. So I'm going to do that. Actually, no. I don't know what I was saying. You don't remove these two, you remove these two. The ones on the bottom. Remove those, and it releases the glove box. After you remove one from here, one from here, one from here, and one from here. So I'm going to do that real quick, and I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, sorry. So once you got those out, I went ahead and shut my glove box because I forgot that there is actually one there and one there. Take it out with all the other screws, and then it should pop out. Okay. So all that's pulled out now. That panel just pops out. Now we're left with this. So now, you should be able to just reach your hand back there with both hands and just pull. You'll hear it pop. It's okay. And this whole part's going to come out. You might actually have to put your car, turn your car on and move it down the neutral. Just hit your e-brake. That way it has enough room to slide out. So, okay, I'm going to do that real quick, and I'll show you what it should look like. Okay, so I already pulled all that off. So at this point, you just have to do this, there, and there, and there. This will have to come out, and there, and there, and there. And the rest is just your wiring. But that is how to remove the factory stereo. Mine is aftermarket. I just had to actually put it in there the correct way. But I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like rating, subscribe to the channel for more content, and I will see you all next time. Peace out.